Every day, millions of people travel thousands of miles across the globe. The aviation industry connects us in business, reunites us with family and friends, and inspires us to experience different cultures. Air travel has transformed the way we live our lives, but this was only made possible by significant safety enhancements made over the years. Let's roll back to the 1940s, when commercial aviation took off. Back then, crossing the Atlantic took 19 hours, usually in ex-military aircraft, with non-pressurized cabins, limited propellers, and unreliable piston engines. Navigation was astral, which meant sometimes poor precision. There were no radios to communicate, so this would have been quite a precarious journey. Fast forward to the 50s, and the first jet engine is built, allowing aircraft to fly higher above bad weather. Voice transmission, air traffic control centers, and more advanced navigation aids arrived, completing the astral navigation system. In 1958, the first Pan Am 707 non-stop transatlantic flight departed Paris for New York City, taking just 9 hours. With air traffic increasing, the aviation industry responded by modernizing airports and installing the first computerized air traffic control system in the USA. To manage the ever-growing traffic, turbofan jet engines were introduced to power larger and more reliable aircraft. This technological leap allowed more people to travel to new destinations for fun, bringing the advent of the charter flight. More people traveling, more aircraft to fly. Some airlines even developed their own schools to train new pilots to fly their expanding fleets. Powering forward to the 80s, when the first glass cockpit was introduced, featuring electronic flight instrument displays. Advances in computer technology were starting to benefit many areas of aviation, giving better autopilot systems, enhanced navigation, and a new generation of training simulators. In 1987, fly-by-wire technology, with flight envelope protection preventing extreme aircraft maneuvers, signaled a major step in aviation safety. At the same period, a specific focus was placed on human factors, acknowledged as a key aspect of aviation safety. Authorities developed a crew resource management training requirement, ensuring crews make the best use of all the resources available to safely manage a flight. In fact, safety enhancements keep being developed over the years. More recently, satellite-based navigation allowed to further increase precision. But air transport is a complex system that relies on a variety of aspects and actors interacting with one another. Aviation safety will continue to evolve and become even more sophisticated as time goes on, always putting the safety of passengers first.